In this video, I'm going to show you how to flatten comments in Adobe Acrobat. So to do this, first you must have some comments on your document. As you can see here, I have two of them over here, and when I hover over them, they're kind of like this, so it shows the comment, okay? So if you want to actually flatten these, it's super simple. You want to go to the top right over here, and you simply want to type in pre, and then you can see pre-flight over here. You want to click on that. And then when you do so, you want to open up this PDF fix-ups, and here you can see flatten annotations and form fields. So click on this, and then click on Analyze and Fix over here. You'll have to save it as a new document, so I'm just going to do this one like that. Fix, there we go. And then I'm going to save this. It's going to start, and then it's going to process through, and there we go, it's done it, okay? Now here, you'll be able to see that whenever I now hover over this, it opened up the new document here. I can't actually see the comments because they've been flattened, okay? These things are okay, but these things here actually have been flattened, and I can't actually see the comments anymore. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.